Hello, this is Eileen, the environmental educator, and it's Friday, so we have a Friday fun, and this one is about multiple moons around a planet, and it's a little bit of the more you know. So right now, this isn't really the big headline, but Jupiter sets record after 12 new moons are discovered. So that was out there on CBS News. This is September 19th, 2024. But more importantly, right now, that same article, its headline is Earth will get a second mini moon for 2 months this year. Yeah, Earth is getting a little mini me. And right here, Time Magazine, Earth is temporarily getting a second moon. USA Today, an asteroid to orbit Earth as mini moon for nearly 2 months. What's going to happen is this asteroid, it was discovered in August, and it is set to become a mini moon revolving around the Earth in a horseshoe shape from September 29th to November 25th. So researchers at the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, an asteroid monitoring system funded by NASA, spotted the asteroid using an instrument in Sutherland, South Africa, and it's labeled 2024 PT5. And so they did some calculations and determined its future path, and they say that Earth's gravitational pull will draw 2024 PT5 towards it, and much like our moon, it will orbit our planet, but only for 56.6 days. So before it will eventually break free from Earth's planet's gravitational orbit. It's only about 10 meters, so the mini-moon will be extremely hard to see from Earth, but its presence will be there nonetheless. And the length of mini-moon events, mini-moons being things that get caught up in Earth's orbit for a little bit, but not permanently, they can vary with some lasting 1 or more years to a complete full or multiple revolutions around Earth. Others do not complete a full revolution, only lasting a few months, weeks, or even days, according to space.com. And previously, mini-moon events occurred in short-lived mini-moons in 1981 and 2022. In order to be considered a mini-moon, an incoming body must reach Earth at a range around 2.8 million miles and a steady pace of about 2,200 miles per hour. And Space.com also said 2024 PT5 will not be visible to the majority of people due to its size and brightness. They say the object is too small and dim for typical amateur telescopes and binoculars. However, the object is well within the brightness range of typical telescopes used by professional astronomers. A telescope with a diameter of at least 30 inches plus a CCD or CMOS detector are needed to observe this object. A 30 inches telescope and a human eye behind it will not be enough. And this CBS article says that Earth's gravity will pull it into its orbit, and the asteroid will have negative geocentric energy, meaning it can't escape Earth's gravitational pull. It will orbit around Earth in a horseshoe shape before reverting back to heliocentric energy, meaning it will rotate around the sun again like other planets in our galaxy. It says even after it leaves the orbit, it will stay near Earth for a few months, making its closest approach on January 9th, 2025. Soon after, it will leave Earth's orbit until its path puts it back into our orbit in about 30 years. So if you're here in 30 years, you can have another mini-moon event. They say mini-moons can come in multiple types, First, temporary created orbiters are long episodes in which bodies perform one or more revolutions around the Earth and can remain in the planet's orbit for many months or even years. The second, which includes the upcoming mini-moon, are dubbed temporary captured flybys, as they do not complete one revolution and remain in Earth's orbit for a very short period of time. So we're going to have this mini moon coming our way on September 29th, 9 days from now. It's just a little bit of fun. 2 moons, I guess, are better than one, even though it isn't Jupiter's 12 new moons that were discovered, but it is just a little bit of fun for us Earthlings here, so the more you know, people. Stay tuned.